OpenSea Wallet Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our OpenSea Wallet Full Review. Links to the product and additional resources are included in the description below. Let's dive straight into the details. The OpenSea Wallet is an integrated solution designed for users engaging with the OpenSea marketplace, one of the largest platforms for buying, selling, and trading NFTs. Tailored for NFT enthusiasts and creators, this wallet provides a streamlined experience for managing digital collectibles and interacting with decentralized applications, dApps. One of the wallet's key features is its seamless integration with OpenSea, allowing users to easily browse, bid on, and purchase NFTs directly from the marketplace. It supports Ethereum-based assets and other blockchain networks, such as Polygon, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of NFTs. This multi-chain functionality gives users the flexibility to manage assets across different ecosystems. The wallet's user-friendly interface makes it accessible even for beginners. It supports wallet-to-wallet transfers, allowing users to send and receive NFTs or cryptocurrencies securely. Additionally, it connects with popular hardware wallets for enhanced security, ensuring that private keys are stored safely offline. Another standout feature is the wallet's support for gas fee optimization. By utilizing features like Polygon and other Layer 2 solutions, users can reduce transaction costs when buying or selling NFTs. OpenSea Wallet also integrates with social features, enabling users to showcase their collections and interact with others in the NFT community. In terms of strengths, the OpenSea Wallet offers unmatched convenience for NFT trading on the OpenSea platform. Its multi-chain support, gas-saving features, and compatibility with hardware wallets make it a versatile tool for NFT collectors and creators. The intuitive interface ensures that even first-time users can navigate the wallet with ease. However, there are a few weaknesses to note. The wallet is highly focused on NFT-related activities and may not be ideal for those seeking a general-purpose crypto wallet. Additionally, reliance on blockchain networks like Ethereum can mean high gas fees during periods of congestion, despite optimizations. In conclusion, the OpenSea Wallet is a powerful, user-friendly solution for NFT enthusiasts looking to engage with the OpenSea marketplace and manage their digital assets. If you're an active participant in the NFT space, this wallet is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description to learn more and get started today.